Hi friends, Jay Eichmann, YouTube channel Road Test Success. A very interesting test today. Not only do we have rain, this is also a closed course, and the examiner will not be in the vehicle. So there'll be some communication through the window during the rain, instructing the student on what maneuvers need to be performed. So all in all, just an interesting test. I think it's exacerbated by the additional challenges of not having the examiner in the vehicle and having the rain. And closed courses are also pretty tricky. So they're going through what's called the pre-test inspection, the vehicle inspection. No matter what state you're testing in, they're going to inspect the vehicle to make sure it is safe for the roadway. So make sure you check the list I put on the screen. Make sure you have the proper paperwork, registration, and insurance for your vehicle. It would stink to get to test day and fail because the vehicle isn't ready.
Sure. Okay, good. One, okay. 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 Okay, yeah. Thank you.
So we're about to head into the driving course here. I want to thank this student for sharing their drive test video. If you'd like to share your video, we do offer compensation. It's a very straightforward process. You can click the banner above to find out more. And tell us your test date. We'll wish you luck.
Yes.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And there you're going to do the three-point turn.
Okay.
The white lines don't count.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to turn right into the space, complete the three-point turn, put it in
Mm-hmm.
park when you're done. Any questions?
Okay, I'm good.
You're good?
Yes.
Okay, move this paper out of the way because it's getting wet. I'll tell you when to start.
So we're in our first maneuver here, the three-point turn, and this goes to show that it is in many cases more difficult to do a closed course test. This is not very realistic to a roadway. You've got these additional markings here, and he ends up making extra turns.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Now, I will tell you the student probably got deducted for this, but did not fail because of those extra turns. Overall, they are looking to see that you are a safe and attentive driver. They fully realize in these closed courses that there's going to be some variations in how people complete the maneuvers. So make sure you're showing that you're attentive, you're using your turn signal, checking over your shoulders, and you're going to do just fine.
Pull in parking. You're going to drive up. You're going to put the front of the car between the cones, put it in park. Any questions?
Okay. I'm good.
Okay, you win.
Okay.
Okay, now I want you to back out of here and back up to the cone like you started. Any questions?
Okay, I'm good.
Now I want you to be back in park. Drop past the cone. Stop. Back it in. Put it in park. Any questions?
Okay, I'm good.
So this is a very difficult maneuver. You do not see this very often on a driving test. I probably would have set up more to the left side of this lane. The student does struggle a bit, but does ultimately pull it off. If he were to hit a cone here, it would be a fail. So resetting on this turn is fine. You just don't want to hit a cone.
Mm-hmm. I'm good, thank you.
So I believe the examiner said great job at the end of that, and I agree. Very good job on this student. You know, I've said it before, these closed courses are in many ways more difficult than an open road test. They certainly judge the skill of the driver. Make sure as the student that you're showing attentiveness, alertness, you're using your turn signal, checking over your shoulders. Practice. Ultimately, it comes down to time behind the wheel.
Okay, take your paperwork in the building.
Okay.
Congratulations. Go through the front door.
Thank you.